Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Yes, today onwards we are starting our regular sessions. But before we are going to start those regular sessions, just another thing, small thing I will tell you that is most powerful concept in every database in the worldwide. Yesterday, what I'm telling, Oracle is a relational data model product. Whenever this relational data model product is there, mainly consists of three components are there in every relational data model side. Now, last relational data model product, last rule is what? A set of integrated rules. Relational data model products are mainly consist of three components already I told yesterday. Last third rule is what? A relational data model products are works based on set of rules. This is most powerful key concept only. Now check it out. One important last concept observed here in a demo class side. Last concepts I will tell you for 10 minutes concentrate because important concept. Then only we are starting our regular session. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Very interesting and very important in our database. This rule is most powerful. Suppose you are joining in a company. Whenever you are joining in a company, you are working in a Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix in those database software side. Main transactions are stored in a where master table. What is master child? Today you are understanding. Main transactions are stored in master table. Those related child transactions are stored in child table. Those related, which one? Child transactions are there. No? Child transactions are stored in child table. Those related child transactions are stored in child table. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Main transactions are stored in master table and related child transactions are stored in child table. Today, I will show you Oracle Corporation giving award practice purpose two tables. One is EMP, another one is DEPT. Maybe EMP is a big table they are providing, that is employee details they are storing only. DEPT is a small table they are providing, that is maybe department details they are storing only. That's why whatever Oracle Corporation giving a practice purpose, those EMP, DEPT tables, I will show you those tables today in a screen. But in those two tables, one table is a master table, one table is a child table, Oracle Corporation telling only. But you are a first time newcomer without any knowledge also. What is that a master table? What is that a child table? You are guessing is really great. That based something is their concept. One by one, I will tell you. Observe here, concentrate here. Main transactions are stored in a master table and related child transactions are stored in a child table. Suppose here, one table, big table, they are providing Oracle Corporation. What is that one? Practice purpose, EMP table. Table name, EMP. Employee details are there. There's a big table. Again, another table is there, small table. That is a what? DEPT is a table. Maybe this is a small table. In the table, Oracle Corporation providing a department details. But Oracle Corporation only telling in these two tables, one of the table is master and one of the table is child they are telling. Now check it out, screen observe it, here. Suppose I am viewing those two tables in a practical. I will show you those tables. 1 minute observe here. These are predefined tables, don't worry. And now check it out. This is a table is there. Select star from EMP is a table. Here EMP means maybe employee details they are storing only. This is a big table. Oracle Corporation giving. Now in this EMP table, how many columns are there? Count it without any knowledge also. Columns. Columns means this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 columns are available. Here, how many rows are there? Here, observe here 1, These are called rows horizontally. Whatever thing is there, that is called records or rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Here, how many rows are there? 14 rows are there. Another table observed here, DEPT is a table, department table. In this DEPT table, how many columns are there? Department number, D name, and location is a column. 3 columns are available. How many rows are available? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows are available. Okay, this is a small table. Now, in these two tables, anybody guess it in our class only? Which one is a master? Which one is a child table? EMP is a master or DEPT is a master? Otherwise, EMP is a child or DEPT is a child. Otherwise, DEPT is a master or EMP is a child. Otherwise, EMP is a master or DEPT is a child. Otherwise, DEPT is a what? Child or EMP is a master. Only one thing is correct. Maybe guess it. Anybody newcomers? EMP is a table, is there big table they are giving. Again, DEPT is a what? Small table they are providing. But which one is master, which one is a child? I'm asking, that's all. What is master, what is child also, I'm not telling up to now. Just guess it. Maybe first time, no, interesting purpose. What is this one? Master, child. Reality side, project side also master, child. Sometimes you are referring only, don't worry. Last half minute only. Maybe guess it. Very good. One fellow is telling Murali, sir, EMP is a master table. DEPT is a child table. They are telling only. Maybe 2 or 3 persons also telling in our class in a chat box I am observing. EMP is a master table. And DEPT is a what? A child table. So many students are telling in our class. But absolutely wrong one. Wrong one. Wrong one. Wrong one. Why those persons are telling what? Maybe EMP is a master table and DEPT is a child table means maybe I think size based only. Suppose I am a first time newcomer also size based I am thinking. Oh, EMP table, little bit of big table because of size. Okay. A big table, physical size, no, a big table compared to where, okay, DEPT table. That's why maybe now here yes, a big table. That's why parent only. That's why EMP table is a parent. Again, oh, DEPT is a small table. Is there small means maybe psychological meaning is what? A child only. That's what DEPT is a child. So many people are telling. I am also telling like that only first time newcomer means. But unfortunately, this is a reverse. Don't think that size based. This is a totally reverse. Here, some fellows are telling correct. Okay, DEPT is a master. Is it different? DEPT is a master table. DEPT table is master table. DEPT table is a master table. Okay, now reverse. And now EMP table is a child table. Very good. One fellow is telling. Really great. EMP is a what? A child table. Why? What is the reason behind that one? I will tell you. But where we are using master and child table, also rules are there in a table. Observe it here. DEPT table is a master table. EMP is a what? A child table. How I am given the guarantee? EMP, DEPT is a master. EMP is a child means not a logical. Technically, I will tell you. What is the technical concept means? In these two tables, in a common column is there. Check it out. Common column. In a common column is there. Yes, very good. Department number is a column is there. Here also department number is a column is there. No, yeah. This based only they decided what, which one is a master, which one is a what, a child. Common column base. But how you are understandable that one means concentrate here. Very important. Here data observed here, common column data 10, 20, 30, 40 is there no in a DEPT department number. 1 minute only. Why? Because you are a first time newcomer. Yeah. Here concentrate here DEPT table, EMP table department number is there 30, 30, 20, Again 20, again 10, again 10, like this only. Repeating values are there or not? Yes, here. Duplicate data is there or not? Now check it out. Now check it out. Suppose screen observe it. 1 minute only, wait only. I am drawing the diagram, then you are understandable. Here DUPT table is there. Don't write it, just observe it roughly. Here some columns are available: DUPT number, comma, D name, comma, location. Here EMP table is there. All the data I am not interested to write because not required all the things. EMP table. So many columns are there. I am not interested to use all columns. Only I am not interested to write. Only common column based I will put. Here same column is there. Okay, part. Now, how they are establishing a relationship between the tables means this common column based. Relational table means at least one common column is there. Related table. Now 1 minute observe here. Now you are only telling all the things. And now check it out. Check it out here. Whenever tables they are giving only common column is there or not? This common column, these common columns data observe it here. Now check it out. Here DPT table department number column is there. No? Yes, here. In this one, 10 how many times are there? Only one time. Observe here. 10. Again 10 is there. No. 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 Duplicate data is not there. You are observing or not in that column. One column side in a relational tables are there. One column side duplicate data is not available. And now here check it out. 10 is one time is there. Observe here. Slowly observe here. 10 is one time. 10, 10, 10, 10 not there. 20 is one time. 30 is one time. 40 is one time. That's why whenever common columns are there, one column does not accept any duplicate data. Those columns in a relational data model products, they are called as a what? Primary key. Primary key means uniquely identifying a record in a table. Don't worry, in a bank account number, invoice number, in a where, whenever you are purchasing a what items like that. Here also, duplicate data is not there. That's why this is a primary key. What is primary key? Later. Primary key uniquely identifying a record in a table. It does not accept duplicate null values like this one. Something is there. Now observe here. Another table here. What is that one? EMP table. Here department number data, not a unique values. Duplicate is there. 10, 10, 10. Anybody observing or not? 20, 20, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30, 30. Like this only. And now here is so much of duplicate data is there. Whenever in a relational table side, one common column is there. In that common column, one column does not accept a duplicate data. That column is also called as what? So now here is a primary key. Okay, fine. Now another column having a duplicate data is there. This column is also treated as a foreign key. This is a foreign key. Duplicate data is there, foreign key. Don't worry. What is primary key, foreign key? Big concept in a future. You're a first time newcomer without any knowledge also. Oh, maybe common columns are there. One column does not accept duplicate data. That is a primary key. One column accepting a duplicate data. That is a foreign key. Whenever primary key is available, this table is also called as master table. This key based. That's why very slowly I'm telling. This is a master table. This is a master table for which child table? For EMP child table only. Okay, na? Yeah. Now check it out. Screen observed here. Here, foreign key is there. No, this table is also called as child table. Child table. That's why DEPT is a master table, EMP is a child table based on the where primary key, foreign key columns based. Primary key table is also called as what? Master table. This is a master table for this child table. Okay, right? EMP is a what? Foreign key table. Foreign key table is also called as child table. Okay. This is a child table for which master table? DEPT master table. Understood? Okay, fine. That's what DEPT is a master, EMP is a child. But why they are giving like this? For example, in a project side means why they are establishing a relationship between the tables means data security point of view. What type of data security point of view means in every relational database in the worldwide, whenever we are establishing a relation between the tables, then database servers violates following two rules. One is a deletion from master table. Data security point of view, master table, same behavior of the deletion from master table. Insertion in child table. What is deletion from master table means? Suppose here I'm a data entry operator, for example. Anybody guess it? I try to delete a word, this 10th department from the where, yes, here DEPT table, possible or not possible? I try to delete a master table record from master table. If those records are available in child table, then working or not working? One answer is correct. Very good. It won't work. One fellow is telling correct. Why? Because whenever we are trying to delete a master table record from master table, if those records are available in a child table, we cannot delete it. That is the data security. If you are interested to delete me, suppose in a job, software job site, you are resigning a job, you are so now shifted into where another company means yes, your record number is not required still, so 2 or 3 months like that only. In that case, they are trying to delete a what master table record. But in that case only, now here, whenever they are trying to delete a master table record from master table means if those records are available in child table, then we cannot delete. That is a data security. Suppose you are interested to delete a word, that record means first you go to where child table, delete those records from child table, then only we are allowed to delete a word, those records from master table. That is the rule. Again, another rule is there. What is the rule? Means insertion in child table. Suppose here 90 is a department number is there. Now I try to insert in a where in a EMP table, child table only. Possible? I try to insert a what 90 is a department number into where EMP table. Possible? No, not possible, because always foreign key values are based on primary key values only. Here department number primary key is not there in a where in this sorry, department number of primary key 90 is not there in a child table. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40 is there. 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, not about. Here I try to insert other than 90 is there. 90 is not there in a where in a master table. That's why it won't work. That's why first we are inserting a data into where in a master table. Then only we are allowed to insert data into a child table. Observe here. These type of rules you must familiar. But why we are learning about that one means in a future, these type of tables we are creating in a real-time project side, not only Oracle, but database also. Suppose, for example, really correct or not, check it out. These are all the things, one of these stage you are good. Now 1 minute observe here. Don't read it. These are all the technical concepts you don't have already. Just observe here. Now I try to create a master table in my project. In a future, you are also creating or not? Create table master like. Here, for example, primary key. Don't write it, just observe. Or maybe primary key means unique identification of the record in a table. Now here, whenever primary key is there in my table, master table, I try to insert a what, a data. I try to insert a data into master table. Here one. Here again one possible? No. Duplicate data not possible. Oh, primary key means does not accept duplicate data. Two possible? Yes. Three possible? Yes. Here, this is a master table. Select the star from master like. How much is it? It does not accept any duplicate data. Now I try to create a child table. Create. Don't write it. Create table. Here child. Here some coding is there. Now I try to insert other than primary key value. So suppose 10, 1, 2, 3, I'm not inserting 5, I try to insert impossible. Why? Because these 5 are always foreign key values based on primary key values or not here. The parent key not found because master table side that 5 is not there. That's why error. Because always foreign key values based on primary key values only. And now here check it out. Suppose here 1 possible, sorry. 1 minute wait only. Now here in a child table 1 possible. Again 1 possible, yes. Again 1 possible, yes. Again 1 possible, yes. Duplicate data also possible. Yeah. Now check it out. Like now here select the star from first. Sorry, child. Child. Now that your duplicate data is there or not? 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. That's why here select the star from master table is there. Later you are also creating like this 1, 2, 3. Here select the star from child table also there. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Now I try to delete a master table record from master table. Delete from master where S number is equal to 1. Here 2292. Here child record found. Oh, maybe now here, yes, here this master table record I try to delete from master table. Then that record is available in a where child record, child table. So now that's why these type of things where we are learning in a real-time project we are using only, but in a database also okay fine. But we are learning in our course side one of these stage only. Here 1 minute of here. Constraint is a chapter is there in that one we are learning. Suppose in a future we are learning our course here. Here after joins only here some chapters are there. Here constraint here like here constraint. Constraint is primary key, foreign key, check unique, not null, stops invalid data entry according to database. Now here observe here not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, check like this. Observe here, yes. In this case, only one of the stage foreign key you are learning only in our course side. Here, yes, here deletion from master table, insertion in child table, deletion from master table, what happened on delete cascade to so many things. In a where insertion in child table on delete cascade. Like this, these are all the things we are learning only in our course side. That's why here is all the concepts are common in a database. What I am intimating to you, relational data model products are very easy, I am agree. But unfortunately, what is the problem? Relational data model products are works based on set of rules. Those rules you have an idea, then you are very easily handling only projects. Those rules you don't have an idea, so now your handling is very difficult. Okay, understood? Okay, na? Understood this one? Yes. Enough. This much of knowledge is enough only. Demo classes. So many demos are there, not required. This much of things are enough. Today onwards, we are starting our course. Okay, na? Very, very, very important. First onwards, up to some stage notes also write it only. Okay, observe it here. Today onwards, we are starting. Now, first initial stage, I am telling only. Main heading, you are write it. Oracle 19.6, write it. Oracle 19.6. Main heading, you are putting main heading. And now already I told no so many times in a previous demo classes. Today also I told, I think Oracle is a relational data model product which is used to store data permanently in a secondary storage device or not. If you want to operate Oracle, then we are using SQL language, PL SQL language. Another one is what? Dynamic SQL language. Up to that theory, write it. Then today onwards, new concepts I will tell you. Write it. Theory, write it. Okay, up to 10 or 15 days, you are writing a what and notes also according to explanation. Then easily understandable all the terminology. Write it. Oracle 19C. Main heading you are putting on. Okay. Yeah. Write it. Oracle is an relational database. Oracle is an relational database which is used to store data. Oracle is a relational database Oracle is a relational database which is used to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. If you want to operate Oracle, already you already know. If you want to operate Oracle, then we are using following languages. These are first one SQL, second one PL SQL, third one dynamic SQL. After this one, you have an idea, no? Okay, na? Screen observe it. Very, very important now. Now onwards, at least 5 minutes concentrate. First time, now here check it out. Screen observe it. Suppose SQL language is there, Oracle is a database, roughly you have an idea. But screen observe it. In a screen only, here SPL plus is there. What is this one? Another thing. Anybody technical persons tell me. What is this SQL plus? Anybody have an idea? Very good. One fellow is telling only this is a what? A tool. Correct. Client tool. Yes. Client server architecture. What is this one? This is a client tool only. How you are understandable this one means very important now. Up to this one, you have an idea. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate to at least 5 minutes. Concentrate today. First time, no, non-technical person per person. Now observe here. I'm installing a Oracle software. After one day, you are also installing. Don't worry. I will tell you installation process. I'm installing Oracle software, for example, in my system. Then automatically some place is created in a disk only. This is Oracle database. Okay, fine. Don't write it. Just observe here. Oracle database. Now this is a one user is there, either in a developer or employee or anything. Okay, one user. Okay, for example, this user wants to store some data into where this Oracle database. Maybe now here this user wants to store some data into where this Oracle database. Again, this user wants to fetch some data. Fetch means retrieve. Fetch some data from this Oracle database. Fetch data from Oracle database. Fetch means retrieve. Then that this user uses a what? Not a single step. This is so many fellows are doesn't have an idea. Two-step process. Very important. This user uses two-step process in a Oracle because clients are working. Two-step process. What is this two-step process means? The first step, observe here. Step one, this user first connect to the database. Connect is a step. In this connect step only, one tool is there, default tool. Whenever we are installing a what Oracle software, automatically one tool is created. Yes, yeah, that is you are not creating only through that tool you are connected to the server. What is that connect step means? I will tell you. Example means SQL plus tool. SQL plus stored, SQL developer. So many tools are there. Diagrammatically, you are understandable today or tomorrow, maybe. Connect step is what? SQL plus tool. Once you are connected to the where server by using a what tool, then only step two is communication. One by one, we are learning. Don't worry. Communication. In that communication step only, they are using a what? SQL, PLSQL languages. SQL, PLSQL languages they are using only. That's why whenever any user wants to store some data or wants to fetch some data from database or into database means that user uses how many steps process? Two-step process. First step is connect. What is connect step? I will tell you. Don't worry. In that connect step only one SQL default tool is there, SQL plus tool. That is not required to load explicitly. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically that tool is available. Explicit another tools means we are installing only Toad, SQL Developer, SQL Navigator. These type of tools are there. PL SQL Developer, these tools. Once you are good at what that tools, then only we are operating a what daily like this. Suppose here this is SQL plus is a default tool. Yes. Suppose I'm opening a what Oracle software here. How you are installing next we are learning. In that one, SQL plus tool is there or not? Yes, not required to load SQL plus tool. Here, username, some passwords are there. Those username, passwords through, they are connected to the where Oracle database. Here, SQL plus is a tool. This is a command line interface. Next, okay, so now here, always GUI tools also there. That the big diagrams are there. At least first time, this one write it. Here, first time newcomer. Now here, yes, write it this one. Some diagrams are there. Next, first this one write it at least. If any user, next para. If any user wants to perform, some operations on Oracle database, write it, some theory write it up to some stage, okay? If any user wants to perform some operations on Oracle database, then that user uses following two-step process. Then that user uses following two-step process. That user uses following two-step process. Pawan, you are telling a tool. Christopher, you are telling tool. Correct. If any user wants to perform some operations on Oracle database, then that user uses following two-step process. These are first step one, connect. Step one, connect. Example, SQL plus tool. Step two, communication. Example, SQL, PL SQL languages. Step one, connect step. That is example, SQL plus tool. What is that one? I will tell you. Step two, communication. Example, SQL, PL SQL languages. Step one, connect step. Example, SQL plus tool. Step two, communication. Example, SQL, PL SQL languages. One by one, I will tell you here. Step one, connect the step through. Here, tools yesterday, I told no. This type of tools diagram here. SQL plus is the default tool. Some other explicit tools are there. These all the things we are learning only. Okay, now here that's one by one. I will tell you. That is tomorrow better. Some fellows are requesting tomorrow. Okay, I guess regular sessions. No, yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you that connect and all these things. 1 hour, 2 days after only 4 o'clock. We are combining one. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Tomorrow continue. Thank you.